If you are currently working at a grade 4 and want to push into grade 5, this video is designed exactly for you. In the next 20 minutes, I will walk you through the key question types that students must be confident with to move up a grade. Make sure you pause the video when I give you practice questions so you can try them yourself. That is where the real progress happens. Let's begin with substitution. Substitution simply means replacing a letter with a number. For example, if we are told that x equals 4 and we need to calculate 3x plus 5, we replace the x with 4. So we write 3. 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 plus 5 gives us 17. Now pause the video and try this one. If y equals 6, calculate 2y minus 3. Pause now and try it. Two multiplied by 6 is 12, and 12 minus 3 equals 9. Next, we look at expanding brackets. When expanding brackets, we multiply the number outside the bracket by everything inside the bracket. For example, 3 multiplied by x plus 4. We multiply 3 by x, giving 3x, and then multiply 3 by 4, giving 12. So the answer becomes 3x plus 12. Pause the video and try this question. Expand 5 multiplied by a plus 7. The answer should be 5a plus 35. Now let's look at percentages, an area where many easy marks can be picked up. A very useful method is finding 10% first. For example, to find 20% of 60, 10% of 60 is 6, so 20% is double that, which is 12. Pause the video and try this. Find 30% of 50. 10% of 50 is 5, so 30% is 3 lots of 5, which equals 50. Next, we move to probability. Probability tells us how likely something is to happen. If we toss a fair coin, there are two possible outcomes, heads or tails. So the probability of getting heads is 1 out of 2, which we write as 1/2. Now try this. A bag contains 3 red counters and 2 blue counters. That means there are 5 counters altogether. The probability of choosing a red counter is the number of red counters over the total number of counters, which is 3 out of 5. Choosing a red counter. Finally, let's apply these skills to a typical exam question. A shirt costs £40. It is reduced by 25%. Find the new price. First, find 25% of 40. 10% of 40 is 4, so 20% is 8, and 5% is 2. That gives 25% equal to 10. Now subtract the reduction from the original price. 40 minus 10 equals £30, so the new price is £30. Finally, if you were able to follow these methods, you are already working with key Grade 5 skills. To keep improving, download the practice worksheet linked below and try the next Grade Booster video in this series, where we build these skills even further. With regular practice, moving up a grade is absolutely achievable.